just going to cut through the uterine wall here and hopefully not penetrate the fetal membranes. It's going to be a little trickier with one this size, but like I said, a little bit trickier. And you can see the caruncles on the inside surface of the uterus. I think you can see those real nicely, and hopefully you can get a sense of how the finger-like projections from the caruncles or the cotyledons are embedding in those. If you look real closely at the inside surface of these caruncles, you can see all of the little holes in there where villi have penetrated. So what I really want you to be able to see is as I pull one of these back, can you see those little finger-like projections being pulled out?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, and then you get sort of this sense of all of those empty holes there where those finger-like projections were in. We can do that a little bit more. See that over here? There's another pair. Okay. Is that good? Okay. Yeah, that's about as cool a shot, I think, of this as you could get. You can see those and then, I mean, just look at the inside surface of the uterus and see how large those caruncles have gotten now. So I'm going to go ahead and dislodge a little bit more of this and let our fetus come out. And I'm going to cut through the chorioallantoic and amniotic sacs. And we can take out the fetus. Umbilical cord. And how old did we figure this was?
148 days.
Okay, 148 days, so about halfway through, right? 285 or so is the typical gestation length, so about halfway along. You can already start to pick up some pigmentation in the skin. Not hair development really, a little bit of whisker hair and that sort of thing, but clearly, quite far along. And then the sex, obviously a male again, a scrotum, clearly, and a scrotum here and penis, and so let's just take a look at. Go back and take a look at the membranes. I think you can get a sense that these things are anchored in there pretty well. And but certainly get a sense of the size of the caruncles now. And so what's going to happen over the rest of the pregnancy is that this is simply going to get bigger. And these will, some of these placentomes will end up being, 3 inches across in diameter. So, okay. That's it on this one, guys.